Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG. Today I am looking at the Wuben T4, so tactical flashlight, easy carry. So this is kind of an everyday carry, and it's going to have the head that looks more like a tactical style. So let's get this out. Pretty similar box to all the other Wubens. Same kind of insert. This one was a little bit harder to get into than normal. Normally they're kind of open, but this one has another flip open lid. In here are the instructions and some O-rings. Don't really care about those. What we have here is a fancy lanyard and charger. So if you push this little button on there, it pops out, and that is a USB-C charger for it. It does come with a special type of battery in it, but that's rechargeable. If you ever need to replace that battery, you can, so that's cool, and you can get another rechargeable. So here is the flashlight itself. It does have this clip. There's kind of that tactical head that I talked about, and there's the push button that turns it on. So overall, it's about 3.82 inches, a little under 3 ounces. It's 1.5 meter drop resistant, as well as IPA68. So 2 meters underwater for maybe an hour or so. So now let's take a look at it. So it has a hidden USB-C port, so you have to twist this, and it took me a while to figure it out. You twist it down, and then boom, you have the USB-C there, and that's how you charge it. So that's a cool function to keep it safe and protected. This thing also has, it took me a while to figure this out, but it has 3 different modes. It has lock, duty, and tact, and what you have it set in depends on what you can do. So this is the push button, and you can see the 3 modes there. So you have to lift it up like that and then twist it over, and that's how you select the mode. So lock will not do anything. So then going over to duty, this push button has 2. It has a half push and then a full push, which turns it on. So on a half push, momentarily on. Full push, it'll stay on. That's high, 850 lumens. It goes down to medium, and it goes to low, which you can barely see, which is 5 lumens. So that'll last you 70 hours. On high, it's only going to stay in high. On 1, that's going to drop down a little bit and last for a whole hour. Then the next mode it has is tactical. That was duty, so it'll momentarily stay on, but if you do the long press, it'll turn into strobe. So a cool little light. It's very robust. It feels very durable in my hand. It's bright. It also has a magnetic ring, so you can attach it to something if you need. So this is going to be a great thing if you need to have a durable light that you may need to push into something or pry it. But it also just kind of fits in the hand, nice and small. So overall, great for the grip. Got a couple of ways you can attach it. I'm excited to use this thing and just see how great it is and how bright it is at night. So stick around, and I will take you outside, and I'll show you kind of what these different modes look like. Okay, everyone, I'm out here with the Wuben T4 tactical flashlight, medium dark night at my local park. So first up, there is the high beam, so you can see the berm. Probably that picnic table, 850 lumens. It's pretty bright, nice and wide. It definitely has a cone in the middle that's brighter, and it kind of tapers off towards the end. So here's high again. So there is medium. That is at about, I think, 300 lumens. So still pretty bright. You can see out to this little drainage ditch. And then the final thing is going to be the low, if I can get back to it, and that is only 5 lumens, so I can kind of see it at my feet. It may be hard for you to see, but that's just looking right down. And then let me get it switched over, and I will show you the strobe. Okay, and there it is. That is the strobe. So just flickering on and off. Still pretty bright. I think it's at the 850 lumens again. So there is the bright. Overall, very cool little flashlight. It's got that tactical head. I'm very excited to use this more frequently. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.